Alrighty boys, welcome back. We're out fishing again over our usual little honey hole. Just turned the camera on and first fish in the boat is a trout.
35.
Oh, too small. That sucks, but very good start. So hopefully we'll get some good action for you boys. Cheers. Yeah! We love our stripies. So that was within 15 seconds, no shit. I should have just kept the camera on. I will for the next drop, promise. Oh yeah!
Fucking hell, bud. Onto it.
The stripey hole! Yeah, it's a jack, 100%. Have a look on their new sticker. So we got a new thing. $38. Mangrove jack. Gotta be 35. That's it. If it was in the creek, you'd say jack.
100%.
100%. Anyway, good start. Couple of stripies, an undersized trout, and a jack. It's good. We've only been here for, what do you reckon, 8 minutes, 10 minutes?
Yeah, about that.
Time for a beer. Right, so we got a few fish in the esky now. We're gonna head out to a different spot. We've never fished this spot before, but why not? We can always come back here on our way home. So we'll see what happens. We'll pull this electric and we'll get into it. Ready, bro? Let's go. Alright, here we go. We've pulled up on a new spot. Looks pretty good as far as looks go. We'll see what happens. One thing I can tell you, it's not a bad spot to have a beer. While we're talking about that, big shout out to Kyle. Cheers bro for hooking me up. I just purchased a new beer esky. Oh yeah, look at all that room for activities. There's beer under there. So now we don't have that fishy smell that Cody hates so much on all the beers, so you can thank me later, bro. If you're in Townsville and you want Yeti gear, go and see the Outdoor Outlaws. Oh, we're on, we're on. No, we're not.
Yep, stripey.
Oh, yes. As I was saying, go and see the Outdoor Outlaws. Tell them the pig sent you, and it's good. Support locals, boys. Support locals. Nice one, brother. 2 words for you, boys. Fish, nuggets. Oh, the sounder is lit up, boys. Have a look at this. Oh, stripies everywhere. Stripies for days. Let's get one down. I'll leave the camera on. Nice trouty, wouldn't go astray, mate. Are you on?
Finger mark.
No, that's one of those Hussar.
Oh yeah. They're good line.
Oh, fuck! That's better. Oh, yes, that is a finger mark. Get in my belly.
That's a good one.
Get in my belly. Don't they hit hard?
Once you're done there, bro, you got one of those little fucking hustlers just flopping around in the back there.
Yeah, I'll sort him, bud. Look at that, boys. Oh, fuck, you just slapped me in the face.
Good one.
You beauty. 43 centimeters, boys, that's dinner. The sander is looking so good.
Trout.
Oh, nice.
Fucking legal.
He'd be close. He'd be close. He's under. That's a shame. Throw him away. Right species, wrong size. Let's go. Oh, Luke's on. What do we got? Another good stripey. I was just going to show you, I'm going to try something a little bit different and put this on there. My mate Wall sent me this, so if there's finger mark around, we'll give that a crack, see what happens. What I might do is just sit that there so you can bobber it. Fuck, I thought it was on there.
It is on. Is it on? Wow.
It is on. Huzzah! Fucking what? Oh, the camera's fucking facing up. There you go, Wall. It caught a fish, mate. We'll do that again, eh? All right, we just moved spots. First drop, Luke's on, I'm snagged. But we got us a trouty, boys. Damn it.
35. 30 fucking 6.5.
So close. All right, good start, good start. Live action. What is it? What is it?
It's coming up.
Oh, what is that? Fucking bat. Is it a batty?
Oh, you motherfucker.
What a dog. Shit eater.
Fuck, I thought that was a one, bud. Had me running.
Oh, it screamed monster PB. Nearly as bad as a fucking cod. Yes! You! Oh, all right. I was just about to say let's move.
No way, you're crazy. Where are we going? 40?
I don't know.
I don't think it's a PB. It's definitely not a PB.
Nah. It's not bad. It's definitely dinner. Definitely dinner. Measure him up, bro.
Probably be 39 to the bottom lip.
Yep. We'll take it. Thank you, sir. Fish gods. New spot's not looking too bad, boys. Let's get them back down. Not a bad mixed bag today, dude.
One more of these and it would have been, it's a smick morning.
Mangrove jack, finger mark, coral trout, stripies,
Cod, your favourite.
Yep.
Cod king.
I love the bean. Oh, come on.
Fucking cod.
Alrighty boys, as you know we're a fan of fish nuggets, right? Do you want to see what one fish nugget looks like? What a stonker, bro.
Look at them compared to the lure. Almost got that look.
Oh my god. We're moving spots again. This is what the sounder looks like. But it's all just shit fish. So another new spot, never fished this spot before. Let's go. Alrighty boys, time to draw the winner of the shirt giveaway. So I decided I was going to give away a shirt of your choice a couple of videos ago to a random comment in that video. So the winner is Australian Outdoor Man. Congratulations dude, you have won a shirt of your choice. I'll pin your name at the top of the comments section, so yeah, just hit me up, let me know what size and which one you want, your address and all that sort of stuff. We'll get it out to you. Thanks for playing. While we're on the topic, pre-order closes on the 23rd of this month guys, so you only have like 5 days or something as of watching this video to get your order in if you don't want to miss out. So 23rd of this month being May. SkidPig.com, you know how to do it. Get in there, get one before it's too late. So just to answer a few common questions, yes, it is a pre-order as the name suggests. So we get the order together, we send it off. It takes them about 21 to 25 days to get back to me. So then I package them all up, like we do it in one night. We just go hard, so we'll get them all out the next day for you guys. So yeah, not too long to go now. Thanks for being patient, I appreciate it. But yeah, that's how it all works. So to celebrate me getting a new beer esky, I'm going to give away an Outdoor Outlaws hat from the legends here in Townsville. Local shop, as I said, check them out if you're local. If not, online you can do that too. But you can win one of these awesome trucker hats like I'm wearing and a stubby cooler guys. So same deal, just leave a comment. I'll just do the old random comment generator thing to pick one and I'll announce that in the next video. So cheers guys, back to it. Alrighty, so we've just pulled up and Luke has picked this spot. He sounded it out, we've dropped the electric, we've anchor locked. Let's see what happens. Yeah. Striper time. Fuck off. Boys, here we go. Do or die. Woo! I felt that. I felt it. I hate this creek. But I kind of love it.
Hey mate, what's going on over there?
Yeah, good. Just holding the canopy up, mate. No big deal. She finally let go, eh? Oh.
What happened there? Too much speed coming in.
Yeah.
Couldn't hold on. That one last weld just done.
One last word. That's all it takes, eh? There you go, boys. Too much weights, not enough speed work, bro. How did we go, mate?
Mate, we got fish in the boat
Yep,
and we've lightened the boat.
we have. Definitely lighten the boat.
More built for more speed next run.
Any potential buyers out there, don't worry. we'll sort her out. Zip ties and yeah, she's all good. But anyway, cheers boys. Thanks for watching. Cheers.